Are you a Ford owner in Kirkwood, Missouri? Did you know that Suntrup Ford Kirkwood is your local factory-authorized service center? Located at 10340 Manchester Road, our facility is dedicated to giving your vehicle the best care possible. At Suntrup Ford, our team consists of Ford-certified technicians. They are extensively trained on Ford-specific tools and procedures. We utilize genuine Ford OEM parts, ensuring your vehicle performs as designed. Regular maintenance is key to protecting your investment, and not all shops can provide the quality your Ford deserves. For those living in Kirkwood and nearby communities, Suntrup Ford Kirkwood is the trusted choice for service needs. Whether you need an oil change or a warranty repair, our expert team is equipped to handle it all. So, what is Ford factory-authorized service? It signifies that our service center adheres to Ford's stringent requirements. This includes having certified technicians, proprietary diagnostic equipment, and access to genuine parts. It also helps you maintain your factory warranty. Routine maintenance is vital to your Ford's longevity. Our service team completes a wide range of tasks including oil changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections. Each service ensures your vehicle runs smoothly and maintains its value. Additionally, we offer Ford Pickup and Amp delivery service. This convenient option allows trained drivers to pick up your vehicle for service, then return it once complete. You won't have to rearrange your day. For even more convenience, consider our Ford Mobile service. A certified technician can come to you, performing eligible services right at your home or workplace. If your vehicle has warranty coverage, any repair must be done at a factory-authorized center like ours. We're authorized to handle recall repairs too, ensuring safety compliance. Using genuine Ford OEM parts is critical. These parts are designed specifically for your vehicle and come with a manufacturer warranty, unlike aftermarket alternatives. Suntrup Ford Kirkwood stands out for having certified technicians who specialize in Ford vehicles. Our team stays updated on the latest technologies and offers various convenient options for service. If you're ready to schedule your Ford service, visit us at 10340 Manchester Road or call 314-897-4319. You can even schedule service online. Protect your investment with the expert care it deserves at Suntrup Ford Kirkwood.